Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and we're looking at this. It is an air scrubber from Abestorm. Now, here in Florida, we get a lot of issues with mold and mildew. My garage constantly smells like mildew. The front of the house has had some water damage, and there's all sorts of potential issues that you can run into. So if you're doing construction, maybe drywall, and you want to get rid of that drywall dust, this is a great device for you. If you live in a mildewy environment and you want to get that out of the air, this is a tremendous device for you. If you're looking for something that is surprisingly lightweight and portable, this is a great device for you. And it does come from a tremendous brand. So we're going to show you some of the advantages to this particular air scrubber over the competition. We're going to highlight some of its unique features, and we're going to kick it off right about now. So yeah, folks, this is the Abestorm 550 CFM HEPA air scrubber with 3-stage filtration. Now, what separates this from the competition? First off, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. They offer free local shipping. They have a local repair center, and of course, lifetime customer service. Now, I really love the fact that this is a 3-stage filtration system. It includes a MERV 10 pre-filter for large particles, a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles larger than 0.3 microns, and an activated carbon filter to remove odor and microscopic pollutants. Folks, I also love the advanced functional features. The circuit breaker switch protects the unit from cutting off of power if it exceeds 10 amps. So there's a lot of really cool features here. Again, the auxiliary outlet, 115 volts as well, 12 amps max with this unit off and 9 volts with it on. So you can actually run your outlet right there as well. All right, folks, one thing I like about this setup is it allows you to daisy chain multiple units together, which is really important if you're working on a big project. Maybe you're drywalling an entire office building, or you've got some severe fire damage or water damage. This can make a real difference in your house or place of business. So yeah, it's also very cool that you can stack these, which makes it more convenient depending if you want to put these in a doorway or something of the sort. And very smart of them, they put a filter replacement indicator to where you know when to replace the filter as well. It's also very cool that we've got a 16-inch inlet that you can run a hose here. That's kind of cool if you've got kind of a sealed environment and you want to run the air out. And then you've got 8 inches over here. So this is a really impressive design for both inlet and outlet. And then you can adjust that accordingly. A smart design allowing you a lot of adjustability in your working processes. And folks, I love the fact that with this cap on, you can cut specific holes into it to adjust it to the size that you particularly need for your job. And folks, one of the things that I like very much about this, you'll see Watson here. He's going to unplug it. It's got an ergonomic design. It's got a impressive handle that's easy to carry, and you can see how lightweight this is, that he's able to port this to the next job without any problems, easily and conveniently. So folks, let me go ahead and give you some of the stats on this. It's got 115 volts at 60 hertz, 2.5 amps. This will work for an 800 square foot environment. Of course, it has an airflow range of 270 to 550 CFM. That's very impressive. Of course, the 16-inch and the 8-inch ducts, very nice there. This thing has a power cord that's 23 feet, and yeah, it only weighs less than 40 pounds. The dimensions are 25 by 22 by 14 inches, roughly, just rounded. And it's actually pretty quiet, coming in at just 65 decibels. And folks, you can see at a low to medium speed, we're approximately 3 feet away. Let's check what the decibels are. That's really not bad at all at 56 decibels. That's just a light hum in the background, nothing that's too annoying, but we can crank it up, make it a little louder, and make it a little more powerful. And folks, in our test, this did a great job of taking any smoke, any debris, any dust, and it sucks it right into the unit. even if we move it around. And this has done a great job getting rid of any smells in our house as well. And folks, we're very happy with the fact that you can rotate it to a variety of directions depending on what works best for you. They put the rubberized feet on multiple sides, 3 different sides, to make sure that you're getting your floors and your surfaces protected. Just an overall great design. For our house, the mildew smell of an older 20-year-old Florida house, that really got rid of that smell for us, so that's very nice. Whether you're working in your attic or a crawl space, this is a tremendous device for you. It's been a tremendous device for us. Now, the fact that we can daisy chain several units has been very impressive, and the fact that it's able to suck that smoke right out is good too. So maybe if you're working on a house that you're doing drywall, or maybe a smoker's house, this is going to be an ultimate solution for you as well. The fact that it's fairly lightweight and quiet is an additional plus, and it's by a brand that is a premium brand. A brand that's been standing behind their products, making high quality products for a long period of time. They do this for a living. They know exactly what you need. With that triple filtration, with the fairly silent run, the adjustability with the cap, the input, the output, this is a great device that's going to work in construction, daily use, home, and office. Folks, we couldn't recommend them enough. It's time to go ahead and pick one up. In our videos, we do our best to only review elite products, and these guys are among the best of the best. Folks, it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Adios, amigos.